Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a TANF application letter. What is TANF application letter? A TANF, or Temporary Assistance for Needy Families application letter, is a written request submitted by an individual or family seeking financial assistance and support through the TANF program in the United States. TANF is a federal assistance program that provides temporary financial assistance and other support services to low-income families with dependent children. The application letter is a crucial step in the TANF application process, where individuals or families provide information about their financial situation, household composition, and other relevant details to determine their eligibility for TANF benefits. The letter typically includes personal information, details about income, living arrangements, and the number of dependents, as well as any other information required by the state's TANF program. The specific content and format of the letter may vary, depending on the state's requirements and the applicant's circumstances. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a TANF application letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your information as a sender of the letter. Write your full name and home address. And then, write the date of the letter. After that, write the information about the recipient. It is necessary that you write the recipient's full name. But, if you have no idea, you can simply write the name of the office. In this case is Illinois TANF office. And then, write the address of the office. You need to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. For the next, write the subject or reference of the letter. You can simply write, Temporary Assistance for Needy Families or TANF application. After completing all the information needed, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Since you have no idea about the recipient's name, you can write, Dear Sir or Madam, or to whom it may concern. In the first paragraph, you can start with the purpose of the letter. It means, you need to clearly state the purpose of the letter, which is to apply for temporary assistance for needy families or TANF benefits. And here is the example. I am writing to apply for temporary assistance for needy families, or TANF benefits in Springfield, Illinois. And then, do an introduction. Yes, you need to introduce yourself and provide your name. And mention the reason for seeking TANF benefits, such as recent job loss leading to financial hardship. Here is the example of how you write it. My name is Mark Zuckerberg, and I am currently facing financial hardship due to the recent loss of my job, which has put my family in a precarious financial situation. In the second paragraph, this is where you tell the recipient about the enclosed documents. Mention that you've included all necessary documentation to support your TANF application. Yes, you can list all the documents that are enclosed with your application with numbering or bullet points. You may simply write, Enclosed with this application, you will find all the necessary documentation and forms to support my application. And for the first document, it will be TANF application form. You may write, 1. Completed TANF application form. I have filled out all the required forms with accurate and truthful information. For the second document, it is about the proof of identity. Explain that you've provided a copy of your government-issued identification, such as driver's license, as proof of your identity. Here is how you write it. 2. Proof of identity. Attached is a copy of my government-issued identification, my driver's license. For the third document, it can be about proof of your income. State that you've included documentation of your income. They can be such as recent pay stubs, Social Security statements, and other relevant documents. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. 3. Proof of income. I have included documentation of my income, including recent pay stubs, Social Security statements, and any other relevant documents. For the fourth document, this is where you talk about proof of residence. Mention that you've enclosed proof of your current residence. They can be such as your lease agreement and recent utility bills. And here is how you write it. 4. Proof of residence. Enclosed is proof of my current residence, my lease agreement for the apartment at 456 Oak Street, Springfield, Illinois, 62701, and recent utility bills. The fifth document is proof of dependence. You need to explain that you've provided documentation of your dependents. They are including birth certificates for your children, if any. And here is the example. 5. Proof of dependence. I have provided documentation of my dependents, including birth certificates for my 2 children, Emily and James. For the last document, it is about your employment status. It is a must that you include information about your current employment status. They can be such as your recent job termination notice from your company. And if it is because you have disability, you can ask for health status from doctors or health center and so on. It all depends on the reason why you are applying for the TANF. 6. Employment status. Attached is information about my current employment status, including my recent job termination notice from ABC Company. In the 4th paragraph, this is where you write your commitment to compliance. It means, you need to express your understanding of the importance of complying with all program requirements. If you don't know what to write, you may simply copy this. I understand the importance of TANF benefits in providing temporary financial support to families in need. And then, state your commitment to providing any additional information or documentation requested. Here is how you write it. I am committed to complying with all program requirements, and will promptly provide any additional information or documentation requested by your office. In the 5th paragraph, this is where you give your contact information. It is highly recommended that you provide your contact information. They are including your phone number and email address. You may write it this way. If there are any further steps I need to take or if you require any additional information from me, please do not hesitate to contact me at 555-123-456-789 or markzuckerberg@email.com. After giving your contact information, now you can continue by expressing your eagerness to move forward with the application process. You can write something like, I am eager to move forward with this process, and appreciate your assistance in this challenging time. And the last paragraph, show your gratitude. Don't forget to thank the TANF office for considering your application for assistance. And here you can show your gratitude this way. Thank you for considering my application for temporary assistance for needy families or TANF. After that, express your hope for the opportunity to receive the support needed during a challenging time. Again, if you have no idea what to write, you may copy this. I look forward to the opportunity to receive the support I need to improve my financial situation and provide for my family. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a TANF or temporary assistance for needy families application letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.